Oh no! My poor smart car, look. Now, we've got some oil spewing out the back of the engine here, which is not good. I don't think it's good anyway. It's bad. I'll tell you why it's bad. Because look, all my lovely rust effect, well, the oil's not going to do the rust any good at all, is it? It's going to cure the rust. So we need to have an investigate. And apparently, this is going to solve my oilness. So this is some sort of breather tube. I haven't done this yet. I've got no idea what I'm doing, but I've read the internet and this is the thing. Now, so this little valve in here is a one-way valve, so I can blow through it one way. Can you hear that, George?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this way, I will just go red and explode, which no one needs to see. So that one-way valve is the breather, and it lets excess pressure one way but not the other, and apparently there's excess pressure getting into the engine crankcase sump from the turbo, and then it just goes and up it comes. Now, you can buy this valve from Mercedes Smart, and I think that cost about £17, and I will put the part number in the comments below or the description below. Or you can be a cheap Charlie and buy one of these aluminium ones. Now, I think these aluminium ones, I think you can actually undo them and clean them, but that does the same thing. Yeah, so, but has it got an arrow marking? Yes, got an arrow marking which way. So if you're going to put one of those on, make sure if you get this one, you don't need to worry because it's all... So I thought we'll put that on. We've got some new bits of pipe. We'll go, right, let's have a look. Where is it in here? Now, apparently this job gets a bit of a nightmare. Oh, watch the spoiler. Apparently this job gets a bit of a nightmare if you've got air conditioning. But we haven't got air conditioning, so we're doing all right. Right, let's have a look under here. All my leaking windows. Got to fix those. Right, let's put that out of the way. Right, so apparently in here somewhere. Oh, how are we going to do this, George? Oh, don't get my upholstery wet. Right, is that going to hold that? No. Right, let me just jam this out of the way and then we'll finish this. Right, so there we go. We've just pushed the carpet back. Right, so I think it's this little... That looks like the Badger, doesn't it? And does he run along there? Oh yeah, can you see where he goes there, George?
Yeah.
He goes down onto... I'll put my arm in here. He goes down onto there somewhere. Now, I don't know if he's got a clip on him there. I can't see because of that pipe in the way. So we got that at one end. Let's have a look at the other end. Has he got a pipe the other end? Right, and he's got no clip the other end, has he? So let's see if we can just pull that off that top end. Oh dear, look at that. He's looking a bit worn and a bit, well, obviously a bit broken. That ain't going to have helped, is it? It looks like someone's tried to glue him before. I have a feeling there's some bodgery been going on here, George. Right, where's the rest of that pipe then? So that pipe goes along there, and then he goes down here. Right, let's give him a little heave-ho. Whoa, come on, come on. Ah! Goodness me. He's proper... I'm going to have to get a little knife. I reckon we'll get a... Or should I just pull the... Let's go for it. No, he needs some lucification. Right, let's get a knife on him. Right, if I unclip this little top pipe here, no idea where that pipe is, and get in behind it. Let me see if I can put a bit of a slit in the... I want to get right down. Weaken that pipe's grip on it. I'm at a bit of a weird angle. There we go. Right, let's have a pull on that now. Come on. Right. The other thing I will say is, don't just pull them, give them a bit of a twist. But that's easier said than done. Oh, it's a super stretchy bit of pipe. No, it's not. Hold on. I've got a bit of a cut there. Right, I'm gonna. Oh wait, hold on. It just gave up. Did it snap off, or did that come off complete? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's where I was trying to cut it. Look, there you go. Right, does that look like that? That looks good enough, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That looks like a bit of. So you just got to bend that. Alright, we just got to push that on. Can we see what that fitting looks like? Oh yeah, he's got a little barb. Can you just get down in there, George? if I just put my, you see the end of my finger there, George? See, it's barbed, it's got a little bit of barbage on it, so I should be able to get this one in. All my gloves are getting messed. Right then. Bend it onto there. Go on, go on, go on. Go on, go on, go on. Right, there we go. Right, and then come round here, under that little pipe there. Oh, not, what have I got going on here? That's come off there. Right. Let's see if he'll go on there. Go on. Ah! Oh. Sorry, it's getting a bit boring now. Here, come on. Come on, we can... I reckon I might need to put a little bit of oil on the inside of that. We get a bit of oil. This has come disconnected. Everyone's screaming. I'll go on there, but let's get a bit of oil or lubricant in there. What I might do is also ram a screwdriver up it as well, just to widen it a bit. Right, I'm going to put a bit of WD-40 in there. And I'm going to just... You don't want too sharp a screwdriver. And make sure he's loosened up a bit. Right, then I'll get that. I don't want that other pipe. I'll get him on in a second. Right, where is he? It hasn't got a clip on it. I guess you want it a bit tight. Gosh, that is trickier than it looks. It's on now though. Of sorts, I just need to get it over that. I could try warming it up a bit. Well, if you warm the rubber up, it goes over easier. But is it catching on the edge there? I don't know. Right, let's keep going. Right, I got it on. The secret weapon, a Sharpie pen. So I pushed it out, and that just spread the pipe big enough. And it's on now. I don't want to take it off now. I don't want to do all that straining again. Right, now where's this pipe going? I might have to take... This pipe should... I think I've got it the wrong side. I'm going to have to take it off again. There we go. That seems to want to go there. Right. There we go, look, he goes on there, sweet. If he blows off, I'll put a pipe on. I'll put a clip on him, but there you go, that's all on. That's all good. Right, now we've got to go and take it for a drive, haven't we? But I don't know where it was coming out. It was blowing out somewhere here, I think. There is a sort of breather thing down here. But I'm going to try that fix. That was certainly broken anyway. That wasn't looking too good around there, was it? No. So right, let's see if that's got us anywhere. I think that was glued. Right, good luck.